Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cocktail Blog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make, which in French means, veau means old or aged. I couldn't get my hand on a blanco or a blanc Rhum Agricole or Rhum Agricole, so therefore this is all I could get. This is an incredibly simple drink. It includes 3 ingredients, being Rhum Agricole, lime and sugar. This is like the go-to cocktail in Martinique, and how they serve it to you is usually on a board or a plate, and they give you the sugar, they give you the raw cane sugar, lime, and then just dump a bottle of Rhum Agricole on your table and you just make your own drink. No way that could happen here in Australia or probably most other countries, because A, it's really expensive, and B, people would just drink the whole entire bottle and try and not pay for it. And it would be really damn expensive. So it's a really simple drink. So you measure out 60 ml, 2 ounces of your Rhum Agricole, add that straight into your glass. And I believe in Martinique, generally they use a unrefined sugar, so cane sugar. The difference being is it hasn't been centrifuged, so therefore it's still got some of the molasses still on the sugar, so hence why it has that little bit of a brownish color, and therefore it's got more, it's got a slightly different flavor. And when you turn it into a syrup, like I have, which makes it easy to mix through, it has kind of like a bit of a honey taste to it. And it adds a bar spoon. Some recipes call for up to a tablespoon, so it really depends on your taste, depends on the Rhum Agricole that you're using, the strength of your simple syrup, and then you just give it a stir through. If you have a swizzle stick, you can be authentic and use that. Then you have 6 to 10 drops of fresh lime juice. I opted for 9. And that's it. That's a tea punch or veau, and with using an aged Rhum Agricole. Simple. Cheers. The addition of the lime, even though you've only got these, like in my case, 9 drops, it really sort of makes the flavors pop, and the aromatics really explode in your face. Kind of, it sort of lowers the grassiness or the herbaceousness of the Rhum Agricole. Oh, that's warm. That's very warm. It's incredibly strong because I'm just pretty much drinking rum straight. And this is also how you serve it. You could also drop the lime in there as well. If you prefer, you can also serve it on ice, but typically this is how it's served. It's also featured in the Smuggler's Cove cocktail book, so if you want to get yourself a copy, an amazing cocktail book. I've had a lot of people recently ask me about different types of rums, and this explains it absolutely perfectly. So if you're a rum fan, if you like tiki drinks, grab yourself a copy. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.